Hi again. Okay, so this is the third video on packing. So remember, I'm using packing cubes. The ones I use are by eBags. This is an empty bag. And then this is the bag that I just packed in the last video. This is the full one. This is the one that has my shorts, my exercise pants, my sweater, dress, and laundry bags. So what I'm going to do is just slide this into the suitcase first, and then I'll show you how I pack the whole suitcase. So if we go down, you can see this is my luggage. I'm going to be going to Thailand for a month, leaving in a couple days. So this is what I'm bringing to Thailand, everything that I have for that trip. And you can see this packing cube fits right there. I have my other packing cube with my shirts, pajamas in here. This packing cube, this little one, has bras in it. And then here in this little bag, I have shoes. Actually, these are my sandals. So what you'll see, this bag, it's not by eBags. This one is by a brand called Shoe-In. I found it on Amazon.com. And the reason I liked these, and this will be the second trip I'm using them on, is they're stretchy. So I like to have my shoes in their own bag because I don't want them to get other things dirty. And then the stretchy bag is nice because then if you have big shoes, they'll still fit in your bag. So I'll just slide my flip-flops right here. This little pouch, I bought this at Muji like 3 years ago. I just keep underwear and socks in it. And then I have this little pouch. I got this like in college. It had a purse in it, and I just use it to keep anything electrical in there, like chargers, wires, things like that. The ones that I don't need on the plane, that is. I have a second one for that. Then, you know, you have your little compartments here for whatever you need. This basically becomes, if it didn't fit somewhere else, I put it in there. This is my travel yoga mat. I'll talk about that a bit later. But what I do, it's super lightweight. When I'm done, I just put it on the top like that. Put it to the side now. Over here, I have another e-bag because I'm going to Thailand. This is just bathing suits in this one. And then over here, this is my toiletry bag. And these have medicine, extra little toiletries, makeup. This is another packing cube that I use just for my dirty laundry. And then I'll be working while I'm there, so I have some notebooks, papers, and this is a laptop stand. I'll put my laptop on this when I work. So what I'm gonna do now is completely unpack the suitcase so you can see how I packed it. So I'm getting everything out of it. Minus this stuff. I'm gonna leave this stuff here because everybody knows how to put things in a little pouch in their suitcase here. So the main thing that I want to show is how easy it is to get everything in and out of your suitcase when you're using packing cubes. And also you know where everything is once you arrive. So like now you can see the suitcase is empty minus these little pouches, which just have extra things in there that, you know, everybody will have. So this packing cube is all shirts, tops, pajamas. So if I need a shirt when I arrive, I know exactly where to get it. It's right here. This packing cube has bottoms. So shorts, exercise bottoms, has a dress and a sweater, and my laundry bags, like we said before. I'll put that right here. So then I have space right here and right here. So then that's when you get a little creative and decide what you want to put where. So before I had put my bras right here. They fit nicely. This thing with the underwear and this thing with the wires was here. But I think what I did first was put the shoes in, the flip-flops, because that was a really good secure spot. And then this fit right here. Okay, That's one way to do it. There are other ways to do it. The other thing is I do still have extra space on the top. So if I wanted to, say, put this right here, I could. And that should still zip just fine. Yeah. I don't need to put it there, but I could. So then what I'll do is I'll put the rest of the stuff on this side. Okay. Now this is the way I'm making it work right now, but there's probably a different setup, organizing my cubes in a different way, that would also work. So that fits like that pretty well. And I could put this here. And then this is big. And this is actually pretty heavy. So last time I had it up towards the top, but because it's heavy, I think I want to keep it towards the bottom. I think that would be better for the overall weight of the suitcase when I use it. And then I have this packing cube with my bathing suits. That should fit fine right there. And then I have my little pouches of medicine. Let's see, how do I want to do this? This thing should fit fine right there. Yep. And then this thing, I think I'm gonna slide this in here, actually. I might put it in one of those envelopes when it comes time to actually go. And then this will fit right here. Oop, the microphone fell off. All right, and then my dirty laundry bag. Honestly, it could fit in one of those other cubes. I think, yeah, now that I'm redoing this, I'm finding more space. So I guess sometimes unpacking and repacking isn't a bad idea. And this is my yoga mat. So this yoga mat I specifically got for travel. You can use it as an exercise mat too. It's eco-friendly. It's by a brand called Eco Yoga Mat. So I sometimes will travel for like 3 or 4 months at a time. And every like week or 2 weeks, I'll be in a different place. So I find it really helpful to have some equipment with me for exercise, and having a mat makes that much easier. So this mat, you can roll it, but what I like is that I can just fold it. And it's really sticky, like not dirty sticky, but like when you do yoga, you want to be firm, and it's really good that way. It is not thick though, so if you want a cushy mat, you're not going to get it from this. Anyway, you can clip it that way. I tend to like to have the yoga mat unclipped because I don't think it needs a clip on it. Oops. So I'll just secure that. And this is a small luggage. This luggage fits in an overhead compartment. So if I didn't have so much liquid in here, in my toiletry bag, I could check this, or not check this rather, but just use it as a carry-on. So here we go. I'm gonna zip this. And this is for 1 month in Thailand. Thanks.